Make an easy crockpot pork barbecue. One of the easiest ways to prepare pork is to make crockpot pork barbecue. This dish may take some time to cook, but the procedure is easy to follow. The best thing about this dish is that you can eat it any way you want. You place it in burger buns, or you can also have it as a side dish. Find out how you can make an easy crockpot pork barbecue by following the steps below. Ingredients that you need. The ingredients that you need for this recipe are 2 pounds of pork tenderloin, a can of root beer, sweet onion, a bottle of barbecue sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. You can use your own homemade barbecue sauce, or you can buy your favorite brand. Preparation of ingredients. Season the pork tenderloin by rubbing it with some salt and pepper. Prepare the onions by slicing them to form onion rings. Get your crockpot and arrange the onion slices at the bottom. Place the pork tenderloin on top of the onions. Open a can of root beer and pour it all over the tenderloin. Cook the pork tenderloin. Now you are ready to cook the pork tenderloin. Put the lid on the crockpot and turn on your stove on low fire. Leave the pork tenderloin to cook until the meat is tender. This can take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. Check the pork tenderloin by sticking a fork in it to see if it is tender enough. Also, check the crockpot constantly to make sure that the pork does not dry out. If the sauce dries up, add a bit of hot water. Cook with barbecue sauce. When the pork is tender, remove it from the crockpot and slice it into strips. Remove about half of the sauce that remained. Place the pork strips back into the crockpot. Add the barbecue sauce. When doing this, do it gradually to see if the barbecue sauce is just right for the pork. There are no measurements to follow. You just have to rely on your own taste. When you are happy with the taste, cook the pork tenderloin for another hour. Variation. Some people like this dish to be a bit spicy. To do this, you can cut up a few peppers but leave the seeds out if you just want the spice to be mild. You can also use a bit of chili flakes or chili powder. These are the easy steps that you can follow if you want to make an easy crockpot pork barbecue. The crockpot pork barbecue is best served hot. Reheat the meat before serving. You can serve this with bread slices, hamburger buns, or with some steamed and buttered vegetables. You can research more easy-to-make pork recipes. One of the websites that you can visit is Simply Recipes, Pork Recipes. Some of the recipes that they have on the website are pork roast, meatballs, pork with noodles, pork burgers, pork ribs, and many more.